Hey everyone, this is Derek with Aquanut Pool Care, and in this video I am going to show you how to close and winterize your pool. Please note that not all of the techniques that I will show you in this video will be applicable to all areas. You should contact your local pool professional for help with closing and winterizing your pool. Let's get started. Some of the tools that you are going to need are a cover tool, which should have come with your cover. It is basically a bar to help you pull the springs tight to the anchors. You're going to need an 1/4 inch Allen wrench. I have mine attached to a drill simply because I do this a lot. An Allen wrench also comes with your cover. We're going to start by clearing the pool deck of any obstacles that might be in our way, floats, nets, things like that. You're going to want to remove any ladders or handrails that you might have. Then you're going to want to remove the skimmer baskets and make sure that they are free of debris. I like to blow off the entire pool deck before I pull the cover out. Then pull the cover out and get it ready to be put on. But before you do that, you need to set out your gizmos and your plugs for the return. You're going to need a compressor for this particular process, shut off power, and then we're going to attach a nipple to the suction side drain plug. That is where we are going to attach our pneumatic hose. This is the fun part. Now we're chasing bubbles. You're going to notice that bubbles will come out of the skimmers first. That's why we have the gizmos sitting there, so you can go ahead and run over and plug up the skimmers once you're fairly certain that most of the water has been pushed out. Next will be the returns. Go over and plug up the returns, tighten until the air bubbles stop. And the final place that air will start coming out will be the main drain. Once that is done, go back over to the pump and turn off the main drain, disconnect the pneumatic hose, and put the filter in winterize mode. Clean out the pump basket. Take the rest of the drain plugs out and put them all in the pump basket. Put the lid back on for safekeeping. Then you're going to want to lift up the anchors on the 4 corners to make it easier for you to attach your cover. Make sure that your skimmer covers are on. Once that is done, we're going to start the process of putting the cover on. We raise the anchors in the 4 corners. We're going to attach one end, and then using a helper, we're going to pull the cover to the other end and attach those 2 corners as well. Then we can go around the pool, lifting up the anchors and putting the straps down. It is a very good idea to have a helper for this. Very important note here, this is a mesh cover that we are putting on, so it will get a little bit of water on top of it. You do not want to get any water on top of a solid cover. It will be very difficult to get off. When you are pulling the straps, go ahead and pull them so that the water drains through the cover before you try to kick down the spring. Sometimes you might have a blooper and fall in your hiney, so be cautious of that. Once you've got all the springs down, walk around the entire cover to make sure that you haven't missed any. There you have it. You have now winterized and put on a safety cover. This particular pool needed a safety cover because of all of the trees. Go ahead and put your skimmer baskets, ladders, and handrails away. Once that's done, give yourself a good fist in the air, and then you can sit back and admire your work. If this video has been helpful to you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pool-related videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.